Hi everyone. Today we are going to do English speaking practice with a new short story
about my friend.
First, you are going to listen to the story. Second, repeat after me. Third, you will hear a lot of easy questions about the story. You will improve your speaking skills quickly. Listen and practice.
My friend.
John is my best friend. He belongs to a middle family. His father is a scientist and his mother is a doctor. He's 15 years old. He's students in my class. We live in the same society. He often comes my home and helps me studies. He wears simple clothes. He wears white t-shirt and black pant. He gets up early in the morning. He goes for walk often bath. He goes to school in time. He is soft-spoken. He is very smart and intelligent boy. It always helps the weak students. He's not only a good student, but also a good player. Football is his favorite game. He's a good goalkeeper. He's the captain of his team. I really feel lucky to have him as my friend. May God give up everyone a friend like John. Repeat after me.
My friend. My friend.
John is my best friend. John is my best friend. His father is a scientist and his mother is a doctor. His father is a scientist and his mother is a doctor. He's 15 years old. He's 15 years old. He's students in my class. He's students in my class. He often comes my home and helps me studies. He often comes my home and helps me studies. He wears simple clothes. He wears simple clothes. He gets up early in the morning. He gets up early in the morning. He is very smart and intelligent boy. He is very smart and intelligent boy. He's the captain of his team. He's the captain of his team. I really feel lucky to have him as my friend. May God give up everyone a friend like John. I really feel lucky to have him as my friend. May God give up everyone a friend like John.
Hi everyone! If this video is useful for you, please subscribe and like for more video like this. Thank you for watching me video. Waiting for more, thank you.